comment ça va? Today we are going to do Enchante Zero lesson CZM. Okay, let's read this information. Hey Sarah, is it true that Apple is very popular in France? Yes, it is true that, and that is why they have a large menu of apple dishes. Apple pie. Okay, so there are a lot of dishes over there. Let's read. J'aime les fruits. Okay, so what it means? I like fruits. J'aime les fruits. Okay, let's read this. So this means whenever you like something, this you have to use. Let's read j'aime. Here it is j'aime les fruits. If you write you like ice cream, how do you say that? Only use this. Next is change the objects. J'aime la glace. Okay, j'aime les légumes. In this way, you can use this sentence. J'aime. J'aime la glace, j'aime les légumes, like this. Okay, let's read this. La pomme. La pomme. La pêche. La pêche. Les cerises. Les cerises. Okay, see, la femina. Now cerise here plural. That's why we are using les. Here F femina. So in singular it could be la cerise. Okay. Le citron. Le citron. Le kiwi. La fraise. L'ananas. It's masculine because here is L apostrophe, so we are unable to see that it is masculine or feminine. That's why they are telling you in the brackets. Okay, it's masculine. L'ananas, la banane, les raisins, masculine. L'orange, féminin. La mangue, la poire, la goyave, la pastèque. Page numéro c'est कौन सी? So students here, please do not learn, write down the English meanings of these. Just look at the image. Okay, la pomme. Just look at the image. La pomme. Okay, now close your eyes. Imagine la pomme. Can you see that? Okay. Next, see la pêche. La pêche. Okay. Close your eyes and imagine la pêche. Okay. And say it 5 times. La pêche, la pêche, la pêche. Then again recall la pomme, la pêche. Right? In this way, you have to learn. Move to the next. Okay, this we will not, I told you English version, we will learn like this. La. Okay, what is la, la, le, apostrophe? Now the heading for this is les articles définis. Les articles définis. Okay. Now, les articles définis. Oh, sorry. It's not définis. Les articles définis. I'm sorry. Les articles définis. Okay. Okay. Le, vous utilisez pour masculin singulier. La, vous utilisez pour féminin singulier. Les, masculin, féminin, pluriel. Et L apostrophe masculin féminin qui commence par voyelle. Which start with the vowel. Let's see example. Okay, we can see here as well. La pomme, la pêche, la kiwi, la mangue, la banane, la poire, la pastèque, la coiffe. Ce sont des masculins. Oh, sorry, ce sont des féminins. So la, I denote with the circle. You can mark with the circle. Now, let's see masculin. Femina. What happened? Femina, I denote with this. Take a circle. Now, let's see masculin. Square. Le citron, masculin. Le kiwi, masculin. right? These are masculines. So masculines with this. Let's see plural. Plural I did with the okay. So it is triangle. Les riz plural. Mm, les raisins plural. This is plural. Okay, voyelle. Vowel. Here I'll put the star. L'orange. That's it. L apostrophe. Yeah. La na na. Okay. So here is the star. Right? Let's see one more example here. Masculine. Le kiwi. Le raisin. Femina. La pêche. La fraise. Devant voyelle. Devant होता है हमने पिछली क्लास में भी किया था. We did it like in front. If it is vowel. A. O, A, H is H French में क्या है? Mute, mute. तो आप after H there is O. ठीक है? Now do the voyelle U, A, H, mue. L'ananas, l'orange, l'apostrophe, l'homme. Masculine, feminine, plural. Les kiwis, les pêches, les ananas, plural. Les fraises. Okay, this is the plural. Now, if you like something, you will talk about Shem. Okay, for example, I want to say Jemla. Now you learn anything. Jemla. Okay, Jemla la pomme. It is already given. We will take another example. If you like something, Jemla kiwi. Okay, anything you like, just use this. And anything you don't like, you use je déteste. Je déteste le kiwi or any other fruit. So the taste which you don't like, जो the taste. Okay. Page numero 57. 57. Next. Les couleurs. Now here we will learn couleur en français. Let's see. Okay, this is masculin, féminin. Les couleurs bleu, bleu. Now can you see here in this we are adding O. Bleu, bleu. Gris, gris. So here ajoute O. Noir, noir. This is exception. So exception I'm just marking. Blanc, here addition of CHE, blanche. Where, worth, record, rose, no change. Remain same. This is also and this is also. So already E ending, no change. Okay. Maro and orange are the ones. These are invariable. Means they do not change. If it is masculine, feminine, plural, anything, they remain same. Okay? So it is already all colors become plural by adding an S at the end except orange and maro, which remain the same. Okay? Now, how to make them plural? If I want to make it masculine plural, I'll just put S. Already S, no change. S, S, S. Okay? S, S, S. But here no S because they are invariable, they remain same. Again, make it plural. Now here S, 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 no change. Okay, got it? Page numero second, week. Second week. La chanson des fruits. Okay, so whenever you want to say uh, thing which I like, j'aime. OC means also. Okay, and A means when you are adding, like if I want to write Ram and Sham, I can write Ram A Sham. So this is the joining connector. Okay, jolly means whenever something is very good, like cute, pretty, something like that. Let's learn. La chanson des fruits. J'aime les fruits. Okay, j'aime les bananes jaunes. Now it is talking banana, you know. Now what is the color of banana? It is jaune. So just observe, color is always after the noun. Okay, not at the in front of the noun. So j'aime les fruits, j'aime les bananes jaunes. J'aime les fruits et les pommes rouges aussi. Okay, A connector, les pommes rouges aussi. J'aime les fruits, j'aime les oranges, orange. Now, this is orange, the name of the fruit, but this is the cooler. Iska color, right? The color. See, now the color is not changing. It's not plural. My subject is plural here, which I'm talking about, but it is not because orange is invariable. It doesn't change, right? J'aime les fruits et les poires aussi. J'aime les bananes, les jolies jeunes bananes. Et j'aime les pommes et les pommes rouges aussi. J'aime les oranges et les poires aussi. J'aime les fruits, j'aime les couleurs. Okay, just memorize this. It's very interesting. Okay, second, 9 page. Let's see. Vocabulary. Now, students, I told you every time that just learn picture, image. Okay. So, with the image, if you're learning, automatically we will learn this. So, we will not bother to learn or see English meaning because in the mind, you will recall that in French and automatically, because that English you know, automatically you come to know. But particularly, you are learning like that. That la pomme apple, that is really not like it's not good for the long run. Okay, let's see. Now, students, just close your eyes because I hope you have learned it very well. Close your eyes and see the picture of that particular word is coming or not. If not, you can mark it. It means that you have to revise again. L'ananas, la banane, le citron, la cerise, la fraise, la goyave, le kiwi, la mangue, l'orange, la pastèque, la pomme, la pêche, la poire, les raisins. J'aime, je déteste. Bleu, marron, gris, noir, blanc, rose, rouge, rouge, jaune, orange, vert. Ok? Page numéro 60. D'accord? Allez-y. Les exercices qui swish. Okay? Now, students, first of all, you will do that because we have already learned it here. Can you see in this? We have already learned, right? So if you want to recall, you can do you can learn it well and then you can solve it. Okay, right? Okay, let's see the picture first of all. Just revise it, okay? So you want to revise it. We have done already La Pomme, La Pêche, right? First of all, revise it and do it by yourself. And here you can pause the video, do it by yourself, solve it, and then you can check it, okay? That is l'orange, l'ananas, la banane, la pomme, les cerises, la mock. Okay, next is trouver les mots. We learned this many times. Trouver les mots. So it is monk, cerise, plural, banana, uh, reza, alanana. Okay, alanana. Page numero 61. Okay, classe les articles. So we have already done in the previous les articles indéfinis, les articles définis. Ok, les articles indéfinis un, une, des, un, une. Ce sont des définis. Le, la, les, et l'apostrophe. Mettez la, le ou les. Le stylo, le livre, la pomme, les mangues, le papillon, la chaise, l'orage, l'ananas, l'école, la fraise. Okay, so just do it, cross check. If you have any problem, students, just message me. Okay, you can message. Page numero 62. Right? Écrivez trois fruits. Okay, just close it. So you can guess what they are asking. Écrivez, écrivez. We, this is écrivez, whatever you are writing. So क्या लिखना है? Trois fruits. कब vous aimez? Aimez हमने किया था ना? J'aime. इट मीन्स वो आपकी लाइकिंग पूछ रहा है जो पसंद करते हो थुआ फुआ फुआ फ्रूट कवू detesté और यूटिलिज़ो les articles définis और बता रहा है कि indefinite आर्टिकल यूज करना है सो j'aime le kiwi j'aime les cerises ठीक है j'aime le je déteste le goyave l'ananas et je déteste le la fraise. Désigner. So guys, you can draw here. This is an activity and draw désigner. Désigner et colorier. So you can color that. Okay. Again, this is écouter, compléter. This is the listening activity. Jeu de rôle. These are the role plays. Discuter. Discuter, you can understand. Avec. किसके साथ discuss करना है? With whom you are discussing? Discuter. Avec वो कामरात. कामरात is a person who is studying with your class. जो आपके क्लास में आपके फ्रेंड्स पढ़ते हैं ना वो आपके क्या है कामरात ठीक है कामरात तो discuter avec votre camarade उसके साथ डिस्कस करना है क्या करना है des fruits que vous aimez et détestez कि what fruit she likes or she does not like faites une liste de fruits qu'il aime et déteste so मान लो you in your class there is Raghav and Raghavi okay so Raghavi is asking to Raghav aimer et détester le fruit and Raghavi will make the list like that like we have seen the list like that right and we did it not here this one so gem here we can say Raghav aim a kiwi illustrates like this and discuss with your friends. This is a role activity. You can enjoy that activity, do it in the classroom. Okay, I hope you like this video and please students just like it, share it and if you have any query just let me know. I will make such videos. This is again I'm talking about Enchante Zero chapter 7 les fruits. Merci beaucoup, au revoir, à bientôt.